skids on the bottom of it as opposed to wheels. These wheels means that we can really throw it onto the deck. It's like a suspension. As AJ times the turn there, you can hear the slap of the blades. It's got two 900 horsepower Rolls-Royce engines in it. He's timing his turn as he comes into fast stop in crowd centre. You can see on the aircraft, it's not a particularly sleek looking helicopter. That's because of all the sensors and weapons that it's got on it. As I say, it's one of the primary attack helicopters of the Royal Navy. In fact, of the British military. And it's got thermal imaging cameras on the front, a radar so that it can target its missiles, plus all the sensors and equipment that you'd expect from a modern military helicopter. You can see the downwash now, just touching the surface of the sea there as the 5-ton aircraft gently pirouetted down the crowd line. AJ will now eagerly looking out, watching out for sea birds. Before we go